Hey guys, today I show you how to solve the problem if you're having a call failing issues on your iPhone after iOS 26, and if you're looking for a way to fix it or not receiving calls on your iPhone. Many of you have mentioned in the comments that, for example, you don't receive calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts, or having a call failing issues on iPhone. If you have applied for a job at a company and they want to call you back, it is normal that this number is not in your contacts. So what happens is that when they call you, the calls don't reach your device. Then this is the video for you. So let's start the video. So what happens is that when they call you, the calls don't reach your device. How can you fix this? To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down to Apps and find the Phone app. Scroll all the way down until you find the Mute Unknown Callers menu and tap on it. As you can see, I have deactivated it because I want to receive all calls, even from unknown numbers, but it is probably activated for you. Simply tap the green switch and from now on you will receive all calls. I'm going to go ahead and show you how easily you can fix your call failing issues on your iPhone. Now, the first things I want to check is a very simple note. Just go ahead and check your network stability. You can simply see that your network sections on top of your iPhone to check whether you have the full or strong network available on your iPhone or not. If not now, all. You can do. Just go ahead and open up your dialer and then tap your call or keyword and then go ahead and type *#3 on hash. And now go ahead and just dial this number. And afterward, all I want to do, just go ahead and call instantly a number to check whether your problem is fixed or not. Now, after doing that process, if you're still having the same problem where you're facing the call, failing issues on your iPhone, the next things I want you to do, just go ahead and eject your SIM card and also wait around 10 seconds, and afterwards go ahead and place it back on your iPhone and then go ahead and check your network whether you have thought your issues or not. Now, after doing that, if you're still having the same problem on your iPhone, the next things I want you to do, just go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down to your cellular. Now scroll down to your network sections and make sure your network section is set to automatic. Now, if you see your automatics option is toggled off, then you have to enable it almost instantly to fix your problem now. After that, your problem will be fixed. And now, let's see how I've done that process as well, but you still are not being able to fix your problem now. Last but not least, things that you can try to do on your iPhone to fix a problem is to give a network reset on your iPhone. Let it do that. Open up your setting one more time. And head over to your General, and now head over to your Reset options. Now scroll down to your Reset options. And now, go ahead and choose this option called Net Reset Network Settings. Well, now, be free. Go ahead and do it. Make sure to keep a password of your Wi-Fi because it will erase that Wi-Fi or network-related information from your iPhones. Now, after that, go ahead and press the network settings, and then your iPhone will take auto restart, and your problem will be solved. And afterward, all I want to do, just go ahead and call instantly a number to check whether your problem is fixed or not. Now, after doing that process, if you're still having the same problem where you're facing the call, failing issues on your iPhone, the next things I want you to do, just go ahead and open up or swipe it down from the top, and then go ahead and turn on your airplane mode. Now, wait around 10 seconds afterward, go ahead and turn it back off, and your problem will be solved. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and please consider like and subscribe button to our channel for more tips and tricks. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.